Hello Mammalo experts! We wanted to share another Mammalo demonstration video with you. I wanted to focus on writing the perfect description for you and your online experience. Before I show you what to include in your description, here's a few profiles of experts who've already completed their Mammalo profiles. These profiles are great to look at for inspiration before writing your own description. Now, we're ready to start writing our own descriptions. There are two different types of descriptions. Your general description, which is like a personal statement, and your service description. The first description we're going to be looking at is your general description. Good things to include for this description are a clear introduction of yourself and what you do, any qualifications that you have, talk about how many years of experience you have in your field, and any interesting or fun facts about you. For example, let's say we're writing a general description for a yoga teacher. This can start with a simple introduction of them and what they do. They could write, I'm a 26-year-old yoga teacher. I've been teaching for over 5 years, but had a passion for yoga through my teen years. This first part of the description provides information on the person's years of experience in their field. This can be helpful to show people thinking of choosing your services that you have the years of experience needed to provide a high quality session. For the next part, you can go into further detail about your experience. For this example, we could write, I've got my own yoga studio, but I've taught at many other yoga studios and spaces too. I once even taught a 12-hour yoga day at Stonehenge. I've got a level 4 diploma on teaching yoga. You see, experts, after giving more detail about this teacher's experience, I add a fun, interesting fact about Stonehenge to make them more relatable and help them stand out from other experts. I also included some relevant qualifications they have in this part. Not every expert has qualifications like this, but for those who do, these can help with showing the Mammalo community that the expert has a good level of knowledge in their field. For the next section, you want to add some more information about your services, as well as yourself. For example, this could include, I believe it's important to find easy ways to bring the healing, empowering, and transformative power of yoga into your everyday life, especially in lockdown. I'm passionate about people being able to turn to the comfort of yoga when at home. My online sessions will be the perfect cure to the stay-at-home blues. Look forward to teaching you. In the last section, it's good to try to sell yourself to potential clients while also keeping a personal tone. For the next section, you need to write description for the services you want to offer. Some of the content used will be similar to your first general description, but there's some changes and new things it's important to include too. Some good things to include in this service description are what service you're offering and why the Mammalo community should pick your service, and anything else you think will make you and your service stand out. For the last description, we use the example of a yoga teacher. However, as yoga teachers are paid per hour and not per service, they don't need to write a service description. For this example, let's say we're writing a description for a makeup artist. To start with, simply enter the title, price, and duration of your service. Your written description could be just a few lines. For this description, we could write, learn how to get a great smoky eye look in just 15 minutes. This opening line quickly describes the service in a simple, accessible way, and using the relatively short time the service will take the customer as a selling point by writing in just 15 minutes. We could finish by simply saying, with everyone at home more than ever and social distancing, now is the best time to start honing your skills by learning from a pro online so you can keep looking on point even in lockdown. Another example of a service that might be offered by a makeup artist is full glam. When adding this description, once again, simply enter the title, duration, and price of the service. Next, write a short description of a few lines using a similar approach to your first service. To do this, for example, we could write, learn how to create a full glam beat face with filtered foundation and eyes in 45 minutes. With social distancing making everyone stay in more than ever, now is the best time to start honing your skills by learning from a professional makeup artist online. Thank you so much for watching Mammalo's demonstration video. If there's anything that you didn't understand in this video, feel free to email us at hello@mammalo.com. Hope you all have a nice rest of the day. Bye!